Hey everyone, this is Jose Baeza, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about one of our most popular programs out there, which is our term loan. Jose with Entrepreneur Funding Experts, and one of the things that I get asked a lot is about what if my credit's not perfect? What if my credit's not a 700? What are some of the options that I have as an entrepreneur, as an individual, to get access to funding? So today we're going to talk a lot about some of those options, one of which is a term loan. So the term loan is a program that is designed for people that don't have perfect credit, but they still have good credit. So that means that you have to have at least a 650 credit score with no credit inquiries of over 4 within 1 year, less than 30% debt to credit ratio, and then also also no bankruptcies, no tax liens, and as long as you have 2 years W-2s, or 2 years tax returns, we can of at least around $45,000, we can get you some funding up to $350,000. So how does it work? Well, it's pretty simple. As long as you meet the credit criteria and you have 2 years tax returns, then I can give you an estimate. My team can give you an estimate. Our underwriters will look at your file just like they would with any other file that comes through a bank, and they would give you an estimate of how much money we can raise. Now, the term loan is a little bit different than the line of credit. So the line of credit is actual credit. You don't get it in the form of cash. You don't get it as a deposit. You get it in a form of a credit card or simply just form of credit. The term loan, you get it directly deposited into your account, or sometimes in a lockbox. So that's like that's a temporary deposit account. Having said that, the term loan is cash, so you'll be able to purchase anything that you could with cash. So whether it be a property if you're in real estate, or whether you are in you have a restaurant, as long as you can buy it with cash, you can pretty much use the term loan for that. Keep in mind that the term loan is a personal loan, so it will report under your personal credit. Here's the thing though. When it reports under your personal credit, it doesn't report as a mortgage. It doesn't report as anything else other than just a loan. So loans don't carry that much weight compared to mortgages. As a real estate investor, if you are investing in real estate, then your first mortgage will be considered as a regular mortgage. Second would be more of an investor's mortgage, which is more expensive. But with this particular loan, you can actually report it as a regular loan, which means that you'll have the benefit of still applying for other mortgages if you are in real estate. If not, then it shouldn't affect you as much. So just keep in mind that the inquiries that come up under this term loan is about anywhere from 3 to 4 average. Those could be easily removed by one of our experts, and we have people that actually specialize in that. So the inquiries are not a big deal. Those could be removed. In regards to getting approved, again, all I need is last 2 years tax returns and your personal credit report from creditchecktotal.com. As long as you can provide that to us, then we can give you we can actually give you a number of an estimate of how much money we can raise for you. So last but not least, one of the biggest things that I want to let you guys know is that when it comes to this type of program, it is very crucial for you to use it to your advantage, because this is a loan, meaning that once you have access to the funds, you do have to pay it back on a monthly basis through monthly payments. So the payments could go as low as $300, and it could also go as high as $1,200, depending on how much money we'll give you. If I give you $100,000, then your estimate would be anywhere from $500 to over $1,000, depending on the period of time that the loan is for, if that makes sense. So if it's 7 years, which our average is around 7 years, 6 to 7 years, then you'll have to look at the number of payments that will take to pay that off. And then with any business, one of the things that I always tell my clients, I always tell people that I meet, is that it's not really how much money it is on a monthly basis that you have to look at. It's about, first of all, how are you going to pay everything back? because whether you're in real estate, whether you have a brick and mortar business, any type of business, the loans are not meant for you to live off of. They're not meant for your business to depend on them. They're meant to help your business grow and for you to get a jump start on what you're trying to achieve. So keep in mind that even though it's 7 years, you need to have a plan on how you're going to pay that off within a year or even less. Whether it be, if I give you $100,000, then you better know how to make that $100,000 and turn into $600,000 so that you can make at least $400,000, $500,000, depending on what the interest rate is that you earn. But remember, the key to any business is obviously getting in and being able to make as much money as you can without risking any of your money or much of your personal money. So this is going to be a way for you to get access to funding, to get access to money that belongs to the banks, and for you to take advantage without having to go through through those risk factors. So again, I know this is very short. This is more of an introductory towards a term loan, but if you want to know how much you qualify, if you have more questions, which I know you will, definitely feel free to contact me. I'll leave my phone number on the video description, as well as my team's phone number for the office. And then I'll also leave a link on the website on how you can apply and go ahead and provide us with the last 2 years tax returns, the last credit report from creditchecktotal.com. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys someday. If you're in the Chicagoland area, we do a lot of events. I speak in a lot of different places, a lot of different conferences. So very excited for 2018. And again, this is Jose Baeza. I know you guys have some questions, so definitely reach out, and I'll be glad to answer those for you.